So, what if I told you there's an asteroid heading toward Earth right now? Sounds like a movie plot, right? But this isn't Hollywood, this is real. In 2024, scientists discovered an asteroid named 2024 YR4, estimated to be between 130 to 300 feet, 40 to 90 meters wide. It's currently on track to pass by Earth in 2032. Initially, there was concern about a potential collision on December 22, 2032, but recent observations have significantly reduced this risk. When astronomers first spotted it, they estimated a 3.1% chance of impact. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's small. But in space terms? That's a serious number. What if it actually hits? Okay, let's imagine the worst case scenario. This asteroid actually hits Earth. What happens? 10 minutes before impact. The sky lights up as a massive fireball streaks toward Earth. It's bright enough to be seen in broad daylight, and at this point, people everywhere realize this isn't just a regular meteor. 1 minute before impact, strong winds start picking up, buildings shake, and animals go completely silent. The pressure in the atmosphere changes, and everything feels off. If you're anywhere near the impact zone, you probably don't have time to do much at this point. Impact. The asteroid crashes into the surface, releasing the energy of 7.7 megatons of TNT. The explosion vaporizes everything in the immediate area, creating a massive crater and sending shockwaves across the planet. If it lands in the ocean, it triggers tsunamis that could wipe out coastal cities. If it hits land, it kicks up so much dust and debris that it blocks out the sun. Minutes to hours later, the shockwave from the impact travels thousands of kilometers, flattening forests and buildings. Fires spread, and the temperature starts dropping because of all the dust in the air. It's basically an instant climate shift. Days to years later, with the sun blocked, plants start dying, leading to food shortages. Many animals wouldn't survive, and ecosystems collapse. If it's a really big asteroid, it could trigger a mass extinction, just like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. If this thing hits, it would release energy equal to about 500 Hiroshima bombs exploding at once. That's not just a bad day, it's a city-leveling disaster. NASA and other space agencies are tracking it closely. Right now, they say there's no need to panic, but they're running calculations just in case. Humanity would have to fight to survive underground or in controlled environments. So, yeah, definitely not something we want happening. But the real question is, what can we do to stop it? Are we ready for something like this? Can we stop it? Scientists aren't just sitting around waiting for impact. NASA and other space agencies have plans, like asteroid deflection missions. Ever heard of the DART mission? In 2022, NASA successfully crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to change its path. It was the first ever planetary defense test, and guess what? It worked. So if 2024 YR4, or any other big asteroid, really posed a threat, we might be able to push it off course before it reaches us. So, should we worry? Here's the deal, 2024 YR4? It's probably not hitting us. Over time, better calculations have shown its impact chance is basically zero. But don't relax just yet, there are thousands of asteroids out there that we haven't even discovered yet. And one day, one of them could be the real threat. The real question isn't if an asteroid will hit us, it's when. If you had 24 hours before impact, how would you spend your last day? So, is 2024 YR4 a planet killer? Nah, not anymore. But should we be preparing for the next big one? Absolutely.